Join me as I hunt down the most affordable vacation spots around the globe that you probably never knew existed. Who says traveling the world has to break the bank? I think there's a common misconception out there that great travel experiences require a big budget. We've all been there, scrolling through Instagram, seeing our friends' exotic vacations and thinking, wow, that looks amazing, but it's definitely out of my budget. The truth is, finding affordable yet amazing destinations can be a challenge. It takes time, research, and sometimes a bit of creativity. But trust me, it's worth it. I've discovered some incredible spots that won't dent your wallet, and I'm excited to share them with you. Let's talk about a few of these hidden gems. Take Croatia, for example. While Dubrovnik is getting more popular, places like Plitvice Lakes National Park and the coastal town of Zadar offer breathtaking beauty at a fraction of the cost. You can hike through stunning national parks, explore ancient cities, and enjoy delicious seafood for under $50 a day. Another spot that's often overlooked is Portugal's Azores Islands. This archipelago in the Atlantic offers hot springs, waterfalls, and volcanic landscapes that are simply unique. And the best part? You can find accommodation and meals for under $30 a day. Indonesia's Flores Island is another treasure trove of natural beauty. From the colorful lakes of Kelimutu National Park to the traditional villages and stunning beaches, Flores has it all. And with daily expenses as low as $20, it's an affordable paradise. Georgia, the country, not the state, is another surprise. With its stunning mountain scenery, ancient monasteries, and delicious wine, Georgia is a cultural and natural gem. And it's incredibly affordable, with meals starting from $5 and accommodation from $10. But if I had to pick one surprise destination that's still a bit of a secret, it would be North Macedonia. This tiny Balkan country has everything from ancient ruins to stunning lakes and mountains. And the best part? It's still relatively undiscovered, which means you can have an authentic experience without the crowds. I've had the chance to visit North Macedonia myself, and I was blown away by its beauty. From the historic city of Ohrid to the scenic Lake Mavrovo, there's no shortage of amazing sights. And with accommodation and meals starting from $15 a day, it's an absolute steal. So there you have it, a few of the most affordable and incredible vacation spots around the globe. The key takeaway is that amazing travel experiences don't have to be expensive. With a bit of research and creativity, you can have the trip of a lifetime without breaking the bank. If you've got a favorite budget travel spot, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel tips or budget-friendly destinations, please subscribe and be sure to check out my next video.